not every header on every site looks the same. Some people want all caps, some people want all lowercase, and some people are just normal and they want, normal sentence case. But I have seen, and actually I do this as well, a lot of uppercase titles because it does look in some cases a lot cooler with certain fonts. So for instance, with Six Figure Design Club, I use Inter, which is a really nice font, but it looks way better uppercase for titles. So I'm going to show an example in a moment of something that looks really cool when it's uppercase and then how to do it. So let's head on over to the screen. You join me on one of Squarespace's templates here called Rotate. Now they've already loaded in caps here, but I can completely change that. You can see, put that in sentence case. Now, automatically you can see it just doesn't look as cool. And it's actually got these really weird formatting issues. So whoever built the Rotate template, I'm watching you. Anyway, you can see, okay, weird. What we want to do is we want to even everything out. So if we go into site styles and then we go into fonts, we can see headings here. And what we then want to do is go into text transform and we want to change that to uppercase. If we save that and exit, we can now see uppercase, uppercase, uppercase. Sounds like I'm about to start a song now, but you can see everything is uppercase and looks way, way, way better. So as I say, there's a time and a place for uppercase. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Hopefully you found this really quick tutorial useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.